traditional knowledge in the international sphere has been defined by two main communities. One is WIPO and the other one is a collaboration of the Nayoga Protocol and the Convention on Biological Diversity. So, both of them have given a very broad definition. The WIPO mentions know-how, knowledge, skills and practices that have been developed from generation to generation. Whereas you can find the definition that has been given by CBD in Article 8J of the protocol, and that also is a pretty big definition that has been given. When we go and refer to UNRIPS, we find that they have not given a particular definition as such, but they have tried to explain the term TK as such. But all of these definitions have the same aspects in them, which is a know-how, a knowledge or skill that has been developed from time immemorial. When we come to India,